Look.
That's the technology you get.
Alright, this is how it's gonna work. Right, Rich, are you...
I don't trust 7 seconds so much.
7 seconds, mate, 7 seconds. And then you get a skirt. Then you get a skirt if you do it.
You need to wear it, mate.
Does he need to wear it as he does it?
As it does, of course it does.
Does he have to wear it as he does it? Does he have to wear the skirt as he does it?
No,
Oh, no, you have to wear the skirt you do it, mate. Come on, mate.
Take off your shirt,
Mate.
mate.
Alright.
Okay,
No, alright.
Why don't you make it?
I really want to make a record. Get the shot back. Okay, yeah.
See, the guys want to help you out, mate.
Yeah, that was,
Oh, sorry, guys.
If you're going to pull it, go this way, towards this way.
Yeah,
and then make you do it.
Okay, here we go.
Are you ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1,
Go!
Come on, down the handy.
Come on, mate, come on, mate, you can do it, come on, quick, come on, mate, come on, let's go! And the time is?
10.4.
Oh, nowhere near, mate, you're nowhere near.
Guys, come on.
Oh, that's upsetting. There's something that, you're gonna, mate,
Remove 2 seconds from there, that's silly.
can you try again?
Wow.
You still have to...
Oh, well.
Get both hands going.
Alright, brilliant. I'm filming this.
Two at a time. Two at a time.
Okay. Watch that close. Because this is...
You're wasting time, mate.
Yeah.
I'm not going to send it before.
No, it's just fine. Go try it. So now that it's
try and make some money, yeah.
no, we seem to have kind of forgotten that he's just done 7 shots in a rapid session. So he's going to die now.
I wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. No, it didn't look so alcoholic.